Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Manali's Nutshell. I'm Manali Majetia, and I am back with a new YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review and I'm going to share my favorite three kajal from the Indian market. तो मैंने बहुत सारे काजल यूज़ किए हैं, उनमें से मुझे सिर्फ 3 ही काजल पेंसिल है या काजल है जो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए हैं, बिकॉज़ बाकी सब है वो शायद स्मज कर जाते हैं या पिगमेंटेड कम है या लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नहीं है। एनीवे, बट आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ 3 beautiful kajal for everyday use and for every Indian girl. It's not a sponsored video. This is my genuine review. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काजल यूज़ करने के बाद एक कंक्लूजन बनाया है that these are the best kajal in the Indian market right now. Also, they are very affordable. I genuinely use them on very everyday basis. अगर आपको भी जानना है वो कौन से 3 काजल है, then please keep watching the video till the end. And not just black coal, but I'm going to share 3 different color of kajals as well. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First, we will start with the kajal जिसको मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है and गलती से वो टूट भी गया है because of my mistake only. बट ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल काजल है और मैंने एक वीडियो में ऑलरेडी इसको बताया है. दिस इज Plums I Swear by Kohl काजल. दिस इज इन द शेड डीप ब्लैक. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल काजल है. एक बार इसे लगाओगे आपकी आंखें बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगेगी. मतलब इसका पिगमेंटेशन बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. इसको बहुत ज्यादा घिसना नहीं पड़ता. इज समथिंग दैट आई लव बिकॉज आई इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव पार्ट. आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा नहीं लगाना चाहोगे आपके आईज पे जो आपके आईज को शायद हर्ट करे, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली लव अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट कि ये पिगमेंट बहुत अच्छी देता है और एक स्वाइप में बहुत अच्छा सा काजल का पिगमेंटेशन वाटर लाइन पे आ जाता है. तो अगर काजल कोई अच्छा ना हो और बहुत बार घिसना पड़े वाटर लाइन पे तो हमारे आईज सेंसिटिव होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, रेडनेस हो सकती है. और ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी है. इट लास्ट फॉर अबाउट गुड 5 to 6 hours. अब आपको लगाने के बाद 30 सेकेंड्स इसको अच्छे से सेट होने देना है एंड देन इट विल लास्ट फॉर आवर्स. मैं इसको यूज कर रही हूँ फ्रॉम 8 or 10 months नाउ. देखिए टूट गया है मुझसे. स्मज नहीं होता लेकिन प्रोवाइडेड आपको 30 to 40 सेकेंड्स इसको अच्छे से सेट होने देना है अपने वाटर लाइन पे. उसके बाद ये स्मज नहीं होगा, ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा, बज नहीं होगा. As you can see, it did not smudge or budge from its place. So now you can understand what I'm talking about. So I give this a big 8 on 10. I think it was for around 300 or 250 rupees. I'll put the correct price there. Also, I'll put the link of this beautiful kajal in my description box. You can check my description box as well. Second kajal, I think, is a very old kajal. It is Maybelline New York's The Colossal Kajal. I started using this a year back, and trust me, it's a very beautiful kajal. Definitely, if we compare this with the first kajal that I showed you, the Plums one, and the other one that I'm going to show you later on, definitely it is not as pigmented as those two, but it's not less pigmented. Did you see it? It did not smudge from its place, and that's what I'm talking about. It's creamy also and doesn't hurt my eyes. It's a win-win. For the price that I'm getting it for is amazing. Super buttery. This kajal glides like butter on my eyes. On my right eye, I have applied this Lakme Colossal Kajal, and you can see how flawless and how subtle it looks. This is what I like about the kajals. I don't like my kajals to be really loud. I want them to be subtle. Time for me to reveal the best kajal out there in the market right now. This kajal from Faces Canada. This is the kajal. It is the most beautiful kajal I have ever used in my lifetime. It's a kajal pencil. It comes with a pencil on one side and on the other side there's a smudger. Yes, there's an inbuilt smudger with this kajal, so you can apply the kajal, and if you want you want slightly subtle smoky look, then you can smudge your kajal. That looks beautiful. On my left eye, I'm going to apply this pencil kajal. I've already applied a little bit, and it's the Faces Canada one only. You can see how subtle, how beautiful, and how one glide kajal this is. It comes with a sharpener as well. If I have to rate it on how pigmented it is, then I would rate it a 9 on 10. It is that pigmented. Look at the pigment. You can see it's that buttery, it's that pigmented. It's like literally very smooth. I can just show you here also. It feels like I'm just running butter on my hand. Out of the three, this is the most pigmented kajal, and it's bit expensive than the other one. I think it was for 450 or 460, something around that only, but I think it's worth every single penny you spend. Now let's talk about my three most favorite colorful kajal. Colorful in the sense I have three colors, out of which one is a blue kajal and this one is from Sugar Pop. This is also a very beautiful kajal. If you want to go out of the box, do something different, if you're bored with black kohl, then you can go for this one because it's not too bright, but it's different than black. I think you know what I'm talking about. This one from Sugar is pigmented, long lasting. So let me show you the pigment. You can see the pigment, it's like a dark blue color, it's creamy, and this lasts for about 2-3 hours. You have to reapply it after 2 or 3 hours, but that's fine. It is smudge proof also, and this is my most favorite blue kajal. Next one is again from Sugar, and this one is in the shade brown. I wanted a brown, oh shit, oh I forgot to tell you there's a sharpener too. I wanted a brown kajal, and मैंने ले लिया Sugar से. It is very pigmented, like literally it is very pigmented. This one is the most pigmented out of the colorful kajals. Let me show you. See, it just glides like anything. इतना pigmented है ये. But I regret buying this one. It's a good kajal. If you really want a brown kajal, this one is very very good. Pigmented, long lasting, non-transferable, smudge proof, budge proof. But I don't think so I'd be using this much. ये बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसा लगता है कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है. So that's why I just avoid wearing brown kajal. ऐसा लगता है कि eyes को बहुत ही simple दिखाता है, मतलब कुछ लगाया है ऐसा कुछ stand out नहीं करता. But it's very pigmented. Now comes my most favorite colorful kajal. It's not colorful, it's a white kajal. The pigment, did you see the pigment? It's creamy, it's pigmented. Or if you're wearing very subtle makeup and you apply this white kajal, you're just good to go. आपका पूरा look change हो जाता है. Your eyes look bigger, bold, and your eyes shine out. Okay, so if you're somebody who wants to go for a white kajal, you can go for this one from Mars. It was for 260 to 70 rupees. ये मुझ पे अच्छा लग रहा है, but मेरी बहन पे ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. So I don't know, but this suits me and I'm very happy with this purchase. So these were my 6 favorite kajals. 3 black kohl and 3 different color kohl. I really love these kajal from the bottom of my heart because ये मेरा पूरा look change कर देते हैं. Please check my description box. आपको हर एक काजल की link मिल जाएगी. If you are asking me सबसे best कौन सा है, then I would definitely suggest ब्लैक में से आई वुड सजेस्ट फेसेस कैनेडा, एंड कलरफुल में से अगर आपको ब्लू चाहिए तो गो फॉर शुगर वन, वाइट चाहिए तो मार्स वाला. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till that time, bye bye and take care.